Okay, so my name is Khalifa, and in here I will tell you about database in session 19. And in here there's some important things in the material. There is 7 important things in here is like cross join and neutral join, join clauses, inner versus outer join, self join, and hierarchical queries, Oracle equation and Cartesian product, and the last one is Oracle non-joins and outer joins. And in here there is join operation. So its join operation is like some sophisticated select queries that need to retrieve data from multiple tables. And in here there is join command. Join is like an operator that used to combine the data from multiple tables in a meaningful ways. And there is two command syntax. There is ANSI and Oracle. ANSI and Oracle property joins. What is ANSI? ANSI is American National Standard Institute. It's like a compliant standard join. And here there is cross join and neutral join. So cross join is a join that perform a relational product, also known as the Cartesian product of two tables. And in here you can see there is some example from the cross join. Is like select column list, and also there is like this. Yeah. So there's some example in here. It's like select from invoice cross join line, and also can perform a cross join that yields only specific attribute. Example like this code below. And this in here there is neutral join. Neutral join, it returns all row with matching values in the matching column and eliminate all duplicate columns. This style is used when the table share one or one column with attribute column names. And the example is like select column list from table 1 neutral join table 2. And in here the neutral join perform following tasks like determines the column attributes, select only the row with common value, and also if there is no common, returns the relational product of two tables. And here is an example. As you can see, there's example in here. An example, and in here join classes. In here is like a natural join. If the tables have columns with the same names but different data types, the join will be error. And how to avoid it? To avoid the situation, of course, the join cost can be modified using clause. And the query returns the row with matching value in the column indicated in the using clause, and the column must exist in both tables. And there is some example code like this below. And join using example is as with the natural join command. The join using operand does not require table polyverse and only return one copy of the common attribute. And there's some example in here. And there's a result in here like many code. And here there is join on syntax. To express join, when the table have no common attribute names or apply non-equality comparison, is to use the join on operand. And also the query returns only the rows that meet the indicated join condition. And the third one is the join condition type. Typically it includes an equality comparison. And there's some syntax like select column list from table 1, join table 2 on join condition. And in here there is some example. And example again. In here like joining three table example. For example, that you can perform a neutral join of the invoice line and product tables project only selected attribute priority and following like this code like select int number pcode and pscript as you can read in this example again. So in here, there is the next one is inner versus outer joins, and inner joins is inner joins and outer join is different thing. Inner joins returns only rows from the table that match on a common value, and if outer join, it's like return the same match rows as the inner join plus unmatched rows from one table or the other. Outer join. An outer join returns not only the rows matching the condition. The left and the right destination reflect the order in which tables are processed. And the first table is named from clause. The left outer join not only the rows matching the condition, that is, with matching values in the common column. So the syntax is, as you can see, is like select column list from table 1, left, right, full, outer, to table 2 on join condition. And there is some example again in here, as you can see. And now is left join result. Example, the following query lists the product code, and vendor name for all product, include just vendor with no matching product. And there's some syntax and code, as you can see, many code. And also in here, vendors not associated with any product. Finding unmatched rows on the one side of one to many is more complicated and can be done using noise null. Null is a zero, like zero value in the database. Operate with unjoined such as vendor that are not associated with any product. And now in here, there is self-join and hierarchical queries. Self-join is a table alias, especially useful when a table must be joined to itself in a recursive query, as is the case when working with an array relationship. And in here, there's content of the EMP table. And here, using an alias to join a table to itself. Using data in the EMP table, you can generate a list of employee. And also in that case, you would also use aliases to different the table from itself. Hierarchical join. Hierarchical join, there's it's like closely related to self join, with and also it's a type of query that can be done in an organization. And start with identify which row to use as the root and connect by prior and level specify how many branches deep will the tree will traverse. And there's an example of hierarchical in here. And in here, the next material is Oracle, equation, and Cartesian product. And there's a join comparison like Oracle, property join, and the next one is NC. As you can see, it's like Cartesian, cross join, and equijoin. It's include natural join, join using clause, join on, and the non is on clause. So Oracle property join. The basic format join statement is like select table 1, column, table 2, column, from table 1, table 2, where table 1, column 1 equals table 2, column 2. This called qualifying your columns. The combination of table name and column name helps eliminate ambiguous name. When the same column name appears in both tables, the column name must be reversed with the name of the table. And the table alias is like working with only column and table names to distinguish the column, and also a table alias is similar to column alias. It renames an object with a statement, and also it uses the name of a table in the select clause that has given an alias in the form, thus will result in an error. And in here, there is joining tables with an alias. An alias may be used to identify the source table from which data is taken. An alias P and V are used to label the product and vendor tables in the next command sequence. And also any legal table name may be used as an alias. And there's a cross join. So cross join is the result generated through that SQL statement can also be generated by using the following syntax. And in here there is Oracle non-equations and outer joins. And there's a join comparison. There's many things I cannot explain because of the time. And there's exercise in here. and thank you. uh, it's only that from me. Sorry if I had some mistake and not accurate for telling this information, because I am still a student, I am still learning, and I hope I will do better next time. Thank you for watching.